an LM endeavor. So welcome to another edition of What My Customers Tell Me. So I just did a consultation with a couple who's got about a $400 electric bill. They want to try to control that. They've got some quotes and information from a few other companies. And after I did my analysis on their $400 electric bill, their roof would only support production for about 60%, which was a shock to them because the last two companies they had come out told them that it would cover 100% of their bill, that they wouldn't have an electric bill. And since it's a very large system, a tier 2 system, I asked them, did anybody discuss with them that they would need a $1 million umbrella policy as per Florida statutes? And nobody told them anything about that. And this is not the first time that I've heard very similar stories. So look, at the end of the day, do you really want to trust your $40,000, $50,000 solar project to somebody that is constantly up against their sales quota? I don't have quotas. I have honest and truthful solutions. I hope I can help.